Levitation. Levitation, the act of seemingly defying gravity, has captivated audiences for centuries. This illusion taps into our deepest fascination with flight and the supernatural, challenging our understanding of the physical world. At its core, levitation is about creating the perception of weightlessness. Magicians employ various techniques to achieve this effect, from hidden support structures to clever lighting and misdirection. The true art lies not just in the method, but in the presentation that makes the impossible seem real. What makes levitation so powerful is its ability to evoke a sense of wonder. When we see a person or object floating in mid-air, it challenges our fundamental beliefs about the world around us. This cognitive dissonance creates a moment of true amazement, where reality and illusion blur. The impact of levitation extends beyond mere entertainment. It serves as a metaphor for transcendence, for rising above our limitations. In this way, the illusion of levitation speaks to our deepest aspirations, reminding us that sometimes the key to achieving the impossible is simply believing it can be done. Sawing a person in half. The illusion of sawing a person in half stands as one of magic's most iconic tricks. It's a performance that combines shock, suspense, and ultimately relief, playing on our primal fears and our ability to suspend disbelief. At its heart, this trick is about transformation and restoration. The audience witnesses a seemingly impossible and gruesome act, only to see it reversed moments later. This cycle of destruction and reconstruction taps into deep-seated human narratives about death and rebirth. What makes this illusion so powerful is its visceral nature. Unlike card tricks or mentalism, sawing a person in half presents a clear and seemingly dangerous scenario. It forces the audience to confront their own mortality, if only for a moment. The secret to this trick's enduring appeal lies in its adaptability. From traditional stage shows to modern televised performances, magicians have found countless ways to reinvent and enhance this classic illusion. Each iteration adds a new layer to the trick's mystique, ensuring its place in the pantheon of great magic acts.
Click subscribe to this channel to get more topics you love.
Escapology. Escapology, the art of escaping from restraints or other traps, represents magic at its most thrilling and visceral. It's a performance that combines physical skill, mental acuity, and theatrical flair to create moments of genuine suspense and relief. At its core, escapology is about overcoming seemingly insurmountable obstacles. The magician places themselves in a position of vulnerability and danger, only to triumph through skill and ingenuity. This narrative arc taps into our deepest hopes about human potential and our ability to overcome adversity. What sets escapology apart is the real element of risk involved. Unlike many magic tricks, escape acts often involve genuine danger, adding a layer of authenticity that heightens the audience's emotional investment. The ticking clock of many escape performances adds urgency, creating a shared experience of tension and release. Escapology also serves as a powerful metaphor for personal and societal liberation. The image of breaking free from chains or locked boxes resonates with our desire for freedom and self-determination. In this way, the escape artist becomes a symbol of human resilience and the indomitable spirit. Card manipulation. Card manipulation, often seen as the purest form of sleight of hand, is a cornerstone of magic that transforms simple playing cards into instruments of wonder. This art form combines dexterity, misdirection, and psychological manipulation to create seemingly impossible feats. At its heart, card manipulation is about control and chaos. The magician demonstrates mastery over the cards, making them appear, disappear, and transform at will. Yet, To the audience, the cards seem to behave in ways that defy logic and physics. What makes card manipulation so captivating is its intimacy. Unlike grand stage illusions, card tricks happen right before the spectator's eyes, often in their own hands. This closeness creates a personal connection between performer and audience, heightening the sense of amazement when the impossible occurs. The true art of card manipulation lies not just in the technical skill, but in the storytelling. Master magicians use cards to weave narratives, turning simple tricks into memorable experiences. In this way, card manipulation becomes a form of visual poetry, where each move and flourish adds to the overall effect. Mentalism. Mentalism, the branch of magic focused on mind reading and psychic phenomena, stands at the intersection of psychology, showmanship, and mystery. It's an art form that plays with our perceptions of reality and our understanding of the human mind. At its core, mentalism is about creating the illusion of impossible knowledge or mental abilities. Performers use a combination of psychological techniques, subtle observation, and clever deception to appear capable of reading thoughts, predicting future events, or influencing decisions. So what sets mentalism apart is its power to make us question the limits of human potential. When a mentalist accurately predicts a choice or reveals a hidden thought, it challenges our beliefs about privacy and free will. This cognitive dissonance is at the heart of mentalism's appeal. The true skill in mentalism lies not just in the methods, but in the presentation. Master mentalists create an atmosphere of mystery and possibility that enhances the impact of their demonstrations. They understand that the most powerful illusions occur not on stage, but in the minds of their audience. Disappearing act. The disappearing act, a staple of magic shows worldwide, represents one of the most fundamental and captivating aspects of illusion. It plays on our basic understanding of object permanence, challenging our perception of reality in profound ways. At its essence, a disappearing act is about transformation and the limits of perception. The magician takes something familiar and visible, then makes it seem to vanish into thin air. This act of impossible transformation taps into our fascination with the unseen and the unknown. What makes disappearing acts so powerful is their ability to create moments of genuine astonishment. So when an object or person vanishes, it creates a brief moment where the impossible becomes possible, where the rules of our physical world seem to bend. The art of the disappearing act lies not just in the method of concealment, but in the narrative built around it. Master magicians use misdirection, psychology, and showmanship to enhance the impact of the vanish. They understand that the true magic happens not on stage, but in the imagination of the audience. Transformation illusion. Transformation illusions sit at the heart of magic's ability to astonish and delight. These tricks, where one thing seemingly changes into another, tap into our fascination with metamorphosis and the malleability of reality. At its essence, a transformation illusion is about challenging our perception of fixed identities. Whether it's a dove turning into a rabbit or a assistant changing outfits in the blink of an eye, these tricks force us to question what we know about the world around us. What makes transformation illusions so powerful is their ability to create moments of genuine amazement. So when we see something change, form before our eyes, it briefly shatters our understanding of how the world works, opening up possibilities we never considered. The artistry in transformation illusions lies not just in the technical execution, but in the storytelling. Master magicians use these tricks to weave narratives about change, possibility, and the nature of reality itself. In doing so, they invite the audience to see the world through new eyes, where anything can become anything else. Transformation illusion. Transformation illusions sit at the heart of magic's ability to astonish and delight. These tricks, where one thing seemingly changes into another. Tap into our fascination with metamorphosis and the malleability of reality. At its core, a penetration illusion plays with our perception of solidity and impermeability. When we see a sword pass through a person or a hand move through a solid table, it creates a cognitive dissonance that is both unsettling and fascinating. What makes penetration illusions so captivating is their direct challenge to our sensory experience. We know that solid objects can't pass through each other, so when we see it happen, it forces us to question the reliability of our own perceptions. The true art of penetration illusions lies in the precision and timing of the performance. Magicians must create a perfect illusion of solidity and then seemingly violate that solidity in a way that appears seamless and impossible. So this requires not just technical skill, but a deep understanding of audience psychology and misdirection. Restoration magic. Penetration illusions represent some of the most visually striking and conceptually challenging tricks in a magician's repertoire. These illusions, where solid objects appear to pass through each other, defy our basic understanding of physical matter. At its heart, restoration magic is about hope and the reversal of fate. When a magician tears up a playing card or smashes a watch, only to restore it moments later, they're not just performing a trick, they're enacting a miniature drama of loss and recovery. What makes restoration magic so powerful is its emotional resonance. We all know the feeling of breaking something precious or irreplaceable. So restoration tricks offer a fantasy where those mistakes can be undone, where damage can be reversed with a wave of the hand. Artistry in restoration magic lies in the contrast between destruction and recreation. Magicians must make the initial act of destruction seem final and irreversible, heightening the impact when the object is restored. This requires not just technical skill, but a keen understanding of pacing and dramatic tension. Prediction tricks. The prediction tricks stand at the intersection of magic and mentalism, challenging our understanding of causality and free will. These illusions, where the magician seemingly foretells future events or choices, tap into our fascination with fate and the unknown. At their core, prediction tricks play with our perception of time and choice. When a magician correctly predicts a spectator's selection or a future event, it creates a sense of amazement tinged with unease. How could they have known? What makes prediction tricks so captivating is their apparent impossibility. We understand that the future is uncertain and that our choices are our own, so when these assumptions are challenged, it creates a profound sense of wonder and disbelief. The true art of prediction tricks lies not just in the method but in the presentation. To master magicians create an atmosphere of mystery and inevitability, making their predictions seem both impossible and somehow destined. This requires a deep understanding of psychology, probability, and the art of misdirection. Sleight of hand. Sleight of hand, the foundation of much close-up magic, represents the pinnacle of manual dexterity and misdirection. So this fundamental skill allows magicians to manipulate objects in ways that seem to defy the laws of physics. At its essence, sleight of hand is about creating illusions through skilled manipulation. See whether it's making coins appear and disappear or seamlessly switching cards. These techniques rely on precise movements that are too quick or subtle for the eye to catch. What makes sleight of hand so fascinating is its blend of physical skill and psychological manipulation. A master of sleight of hand doesn't just move objects quickly, they guide the audience's attention, creating moments of amazement in the gaps between what is seen and unseen. The true artistry in sleight of hand lies in its invisibility. The best practitioners make their movements look natural and effortless, hiding the years of practice behind a facile ease. In doing so, they transform simple objects into instruments of wonder, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary through sheer skill and showmanship.